Yes.
Now, you say that that might be something that's still affecting us today, tribalism.
So it's not still affecting us.
What's going on?
It is the main problem. Tribalism is a group management that gets you thinking about the tribe. They keep saying, give something back to the community. They never say, give something back to your family. They say, don't forget where you came from. They never say, don't forget where you're going. Where you came from was captivity. You came from was slavery. And so they want us to think about the group dynamics. So that if you're not for the group, I hate you. You try to be free, I hate you. Because Master said that if we don't work together, we can't get what we want. And what the slaves want is not freedom. The slave wants better nourishment in that bowl. The slave wants a better floor to lay on. He does not seek freedom, he seeks comfort. Whenever you let Master plan something for you, whether it's sharecropping or slavery, his plan is for you to work hard, make babies, and die. That's his culture. Black people, our culture came from what Master put on us. Master gave us chitlins. We didn't get chitlins for us. We're the only people who eat pig guts as culture. Master gave us that. Master gave us a diet that made us work hard, make babies, and die. You know, Master gave us the culture to do certain things to fit him. We call it our culture now. Ain't no cultural interest in education. Because Master does not want to educate a slave. There's no culture in marriage. Because Master doesn't want that black man being dedicated to that black woman. Master wants you to love him. Not that wife, not them kids. So the culture we have called African American culture is put on us by our tribal chiefs who set up our Master, and the basic information to keep us self-regulating and self-perpetuating this lie that we are weak. Sharpton and Jesse Jackson, they have a job to do. They advocate for you now. They go to Master for you now, like the overseers. And the slave drivers, they go to Master for you. Instead of getting the slaves to the fields to pick cotton, their job is every 2 years to get the slaves to the voting booth so they can get their votes picked. We now vote for the party of the Klan. We vote for the party of the slave codes. We vote for the party of George Wallace and Lester Maddox. We vote for the party that raided our homes and killed our children because we're tribalistic.